Hey guys, I hope all of you are fine and doing well in your lives. Friends, my today's video is extremely creative, unique in itself, and the basic motive and purpose of our video is wide in itself. That is, you can use this video for making beautiful, stylish, trendy, and elegant design ideas for a very wide variety of dimensions. That is, you can use these embroidery patterns at the same time for many accessories, like you can use these patterns to design your buttons for your dresses, shirts, and kurtis. You can use these patterns to make your hair accessories like hairpins, hair clips, and many more creative hair accessories as well. And stop, don't go anywhere. The scope is not only limited to this as well. You can make these embroidery patterns to decorate, to make jewelry as well. You can use these patterns for hand embroidered pendants, hand embroidered neckline, hand embroidered ear studs, hand embroidered bracelets, hand embroidered rings as well. So if we talk about the embroidery stitches, that which type of embroidery stitches are being used on to the designing of these very beautiful and stylish classic collection of 5-in-1 patterns of hand embroidery. So the answer is very simple and quite easy. That is lazy daisy stitch, Brazilian knots, Boolean stitch, some beginner friendly stitches and very easier stitches at the same time to make, like French knot, like ply stitch, stem stitch, chain stitch. So if you are in search of creative, stylish, unique and trendy design ideas based patterns, then my friends, this video collection is absolutely for you, and you are at a very beautiful and right and a correct platform. So if you want to get more stylish, trendy and crazy ideas related to women fashion, then please don't forget to subscribe my channel and do watch my videos on daily basis so that you could remain updated with the fashion world. For getting more trendy ideas related to hand art, related to girls, fashionable accessories, handmade jewelry, crochet knitting, fabric embroidery, machine embroidery, baby girl dresses, home decor ideas, and many more, then stay tuned for the latest upcoming videos. And do leave comments below so that we could get to know what you feel about our content and what you want us to share with you on daily basis. With this, allow me to leave, but you don't forget to like and subscribe.